Hello, I made a carrot farm that Judy from Zootopia would love. I've uploaded 3 printable on my blog. Since I'm a beginner YouTuber, I heard it's better not to post direct links. So if you search Nani crafts on the Korean site called Naver, you should be able to find it. Have you watched Zootopia 2? I haven't seen it yet, but I heard it's just as fun as the first one. I'm going to make a soil squish where I can plant the carrots. I used this pastel to give it more realistic soil look. Fill it with lots of cotton to make it soft and fluffy. To make the tools sturdier, I layered them with a thick paper. I also made 3 types of carrot seeds. I cut out the carrots and also make a cute basket to hold the harvested carrots. For the water coming out of the watering can, I used pieces of recycled plastic to express the water. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Bye!